Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Jose here, and I'm with my son Axel.
How's it going?
And I'm very excited because we're gonna be working on his new car today. Can you tell us what are we gonna be doing, Axel?
This is the Audi A5. We're just gonna be replacing this front grille today. This one has some paint coming off when we bought it, so we're just gonna be replacing it with the Honeycomb grille. Usually you see it in the RS5 styles, but that's what we're gonna be doing today. Hopefully it goes well.
All right.
So we're just gonna be removing these little pins. There's 4 across this whole plate. That's the first step. If you just want to get something small, just stick them right through. We kind of already did it. Probably should have waited, but you just stick them through, push a little hard, and then they pop right through. These ones, they kind of fall to the ground, so if you did it slow and then push it to a point where you can just pop them off, you could do that, but we kind of just rushed it. Alright, so the next part is just removing this. You kind of just lift up on the corners here, get the corners off first, and then you just want to go up from the front, and you can even pry it a little bit from the bottom, just kind of pull it out that way. They come out pretty neat. Takes a little bit of time, but after removing that, you want to go ahead and remove these 2 screws. You got one in front of the grill right here to the right, one in front of the grill right here to the left. We already went and removed that one. You also want to go ahead and, if your car comes installed with one of these HomeLink transfer systems, they're called, you want to remove that. You kind of just squeeze on the sides, pull it out. It's right down here. So this next step here requires us to remove these 2 screws. You got one right up here, one down here, right behind the bumper, on top of the wheel cover. And then after you finish that, you just kind of want to reach back in here and peek. And in there, you got some connector for the fog lights. Right in there, you'll see it's just a electronic piece, but pull that off and then you'll be set to go.
The next step is to remove 4 screws that are under the car. We had to improvise here because we didn't have a lot of clearance between the ground and the part that we're removing.
3.
This part should just come right out. After a little bit of manual labor. Oh, I got the
3.
Here you can just pop out the shots and they just come right out. So now if you lost the pins as you did the first steps, then you got an extra step here. It's just scrummaging around through these little cigarette butts and all the paper leaves and whatever mysteries you'll find inside your fender over here. And oh, look, here's one. Add one to the list. Next step, all you gotta do is remove all the screws around it. Should be 14 because you got 2 more right in here, and just pop it out. See, this is a new grill. Here we just put the new logo on top, and we're good to go. Next step is just sit that right in, and then we'll get to make it more tighter. We're just gonna be putting this back on the car. We'll see how it looks in just a second.
Hi guys, we're back. We want to show you the final product here. We're very excited about it. Look at it. It looks awesome. Very aggressive look. Significant improvement from what it had before. It took us about 2 hours total time.
About, so.
Yeah. Do you have any recommendations, Axel?
Well, I'd say make sure you find the right grill that you're looking for. There's a bunch online. I'd say just look at any RS5 pictures and you can just count the hexagons and just see, because some have different patterns basically. Even though it's hexagons, it's not the same. Just try to find one that looks alike and make sure your bolts and your screws are all organized. That makes the steps way easier than if you just had everything laying around. And yeah, you can find the PDF online just how we did. It was just search up Audi A5 or whatever you have, grill installment, RS5 grill installment.
All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe.